Hey guys, I'm going to tell you how I made this really quick and easy pasta primavera with pantry staples that I already had on hand. So I had fresh cabbage, I had fresh onion and fresh garlic, so I chopped that up and put it in the pan with olive oil. Then I added half a can of this, which is all I had left, and that's just mixed vegetables in a can. That's where the carrots and peas come from. Then I wanted to make a bit more substantial pasta, so I added 1 packet of this. That serves 4. Then I added a little bit more pasta, so I added some pasta from here. I'd say a couple of servings from this organic fusilli from Whole Foods. After it had cooked, I also added a cup of water, and I didn't add much water because I wanted it to be like a pasta. I didn't want it to be a soup. Then I added some organic half and half. This is from Aldi. The whole label fell off when I opened the cap. And some grated cheese. So it was very simple. The key is don't add too much water. There is already water that was left over in the can of vegetables. And so I combined that with about a cup of water. And there you have it. Easy, quick, pasta primavera. See you in my next video. Bye guys.